Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. I'm currently working at Beata Pediatrics as a client services manager. In the past, I have worked as a social worker for a skilled nursing and rehab facility. I was the social worker for the long-term care unit, and in the long-term care unit, I worked with a lot of residents who had dementia, depression, anxiety, suicidal ideations, and other diagnoses that could be found in the DSM-5. I would work closely with the nurses and the doctors, as well as the activity coordinators on the units, to address some of the diagnoses that could be found in the DSM-5. We also worked closely with a psychiatrist, and each month we would meet with the psychiatrist to review residents who were on psychotropic medications. During this meeting, we would see if their medications would need to be changed dependent on if there is an increase in behaviors or if the resident basically was snowed by their medication and would need a tweak so that their personality wouldn't be masked by medications, or that the psychotropic medication wasn't interfering with other medications that the resident was taking. I've had to perform a lot of assessments, such as the PHQ-9, which is a health questionnaire, and this would help the social workers monitor residents and their moods while they were at the facility. And a lot of time these scores would let us know if the residents were feeling depressed and if they had any suicidal ideations or wishes of death. And this way we can address these concerns if they were brought to us. I really enjoyed working on the unit, and I definitely learned a lot. I'm looking forward to learning a lot more in this class as well. Thanks.